Hello and welcome to your first video tutorial for Year 10 IT. In case you didn't get my name, it's Mr. Marcock. You may not have actually because there's two classes. So my name is Mr. Marcock, and if you don't know me, I'm the other IT teacher at Year 10. So what we've got here is for remote learning, and just during the course of the semester, what will happen is that there'll be some videos for you to watch, and they'll basically have instructions. The idea is that the tasks you need to do are going to be similar to the instructions. Not exactly the same, because that's just copying, and even a really smart monkey can just copy. We want you to actually think about what you're doing. Okay, so what we've got here, we're going to watch some videos with to do with Edgy. This is the Edgy interface. It is web-based. The website is here, and you should have that link provided to you either in Compass or Google or through Zoom, or I don't know, but you should be able to have access to that. Just to show you, this is the program we use in a Year 12 subject called Algorithmics. It's really cool. Algorithmics. It's a 3 and 4 subject, but it is open to early access. It's a really cool subject, and we can see it do lots of different cool things. For example, one of the things we do, I'll show you this. This is awesome. Web pages on the internet. Let's say A is a web page. As you can see, it's got a lot of links to it. It's got 3 going towards it, a total of 11. We've got the negative number there as well. So A is the most popular. We can run an algorithm on that, and we can see exactly if it is the most popular by its size. So there we go. So that's what we've got there. So that's what this software can do. It's really cool. Year 12s use it. Anyhow, what we're going to do is we're going to use it to introduce some coding to you guys. So we're going to code it with blocks. So first thing we're going to do some output. We're going to do some input and output. We're going to look at variables, and these are the videos, well, these are the sets of instructions that I'm producing. They may be in different videos, I don't know, but that's what we're going to have a look at today. So first thing we're going to do is we're just going to look at some output, and I'm going to create this thing called Hello World. So here we've got our interface. We are going to looks, and I'm going to drag this say hello over, and I'm going to make this say hello world. I like to put an exclamation mark at the end, and then we click on that, it'll say hello world. Pretty nifty. Nice, so that's one thing. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make a thing called what's your name, and what it's going to do, it's going to repeat that. So we're going to do this. We're going to go to sensing, and we are going to ask a question. So ask, here it is, what's your name, and wait. Awesome. Then we're going to tick an answer. Oh no, I'm not going to tick the answer. It's going to say what's your name and wait. So then we're going to do, I'm going to take this say, I'm going to drag this, I'm going to say duplicate, and I'm going to put in answer here. So now I'm going to say what is your name, and it's going to say the answer. So we're going to run this. What is your name? My name is Sir. I'm going to press enter, and it's typing back Sir.
Hi, Sir.
That was Mrs. Marcock trying to be funny. So what we've got, so that's what we've got there. Now we're going to change a little bit. As you can see, what it's asking for here is, so we've got hello world being output. That's just the first one. The second one is we're going to do something else. So we're going to ask for the user's name, and then we're going to ask him and the user's age, and we're going to ask them to report that back. So I'm going to ask for the user's name, and then I'm going to also ask the user what they had for lunch. So let's see. Whoops, didn't want to do that. What did you have for lunch? Oh, it's not working. H and then a question mark. Okay, so I'm going to click it. So what is my name? My name is Sir. What did you have for lunch? Oops. I had chicken, and it's not outputting anything. Okay, so it's probably saying, oh, I didn't output answer. Well, let's do that again. So we're going to output answer. We're going to put that in there. What's your name? My name is Sir. What did you have for lunch? I had chicken, and that's outputting chicken. Okay, what I want for it to say is I don't want it to repeat. Basically, I'd like to try and have a conversation. So we're not going to do what is your name. So we generally give people a chance to when we ask a question, we'd like to try and have a conversation. So what we wanted to say, like it says here, ask the user's name and age and have a report back to these. So basically I want to ask for lunch, I want to ask the name, and I want to ask what they had for lunch, and I want to report that back. I want to say, hi sir, you had whatever it was for lunch. So to do that, what we're going to have to do is we're going to take operator, and we're going to take in join. And join, here it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, and put this in here, and we're going to say hi, and then we're going to put some, whoops, no, I'm going to put in some spaces here, and put in hi, let's say sir is the first answer, so we're going to put that in there. I'm going to say nice to meet you, and then we're going to say you had the second answer. I can drag these away. You had second answer for lunch. Okay, and I don't need this one here, so I'll just go to click on that. So to run this, what I'm just going to click it. So, what is your name? My name is Sir. What did you have for lunch? I had chicken. And hi, chicken. No, we couldn't really say that. It's a bit weird. Let's look at that again. So let's extend that. Let's say 5 seconds. Try it again. What is your name? My name is Sir. What did you have for lunch? I had chicken. Hi, chicken. Nice to meet you. You had chicken for lunch. It's a bit of a worry that my name's not Chicken, even though I had chicken for lunch. So this introduced this concept of variables. What we're going to do is we're going to make a variable. We're going to take a variable, and we're going to make a variable. We're going to call it name. Doesn't matter what we call this variable. We're going to take another variable, and we're going to call it lunch. So now what we're going to do is we're going to drag this set. Now we're going to drag this set stuff there, and we're going to take name, we're going to set it to name, and we're going to drag answer in there. And then we are going to drag another one of these, put it in here, and we are going to set this to lunch, and we are going to make another answer. So I'm going to make a duplicate of this answer, and we're going to put it in there. Then what we're going to do, we're going to say hi name. So we're going to say hi name. We're going to put a space in here, and put a space in there. You had, and put a space after the D. We're not going to put in answer. You had lunch for lunch. So what that's going to do is, like I said, we're storing some variables. So we're asking for the username, and we're setting the name variable to the answer. Then after that, we are asking what the user had for lunch, and then we're setting the lunch variable to that answer. And we're going to see how it goes. Where's the name? My name is Sir. What did you have for lunch? I had chicken. And here we go. Hi Sir, nice to meet you. You had chicken for lunch. And what's really handy is we can see what the variables come up there as. So your equivalent to that is to ask the user their name and the age, and then report it back. So I'll look at the positive and negative thing in the next video.